guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, I'm Sana. I will be very happy if you take a moment and subscribe to our channel right here, and also press the bell icon so you will never miss any update of my YouTube channel. And also please watch the video till the end. So without any further blabbering, let's quickly jump into the video. So today I'm going to talk about which I think you all already know about it, and if you don't know, Clovia is a marketer and manufacturer of women's innerwear, sleepwear, shapewear and swimwear. Clovia is one of the top 10 early stage e-commerce startups to look out for. The good thing about them is they come up with this skincare range which is so thoughtful and exciting. So I have received one of the product from their skincare range, which is clovia botaniqa anti-acne face wash. This face wash is so good for oily combination and acne prone skin. So this face wash contains clove oil that fights the acne bacteria. Vitamin E is also present in this face wash that reduces inflammation and protects the skin from further damage. This face wash has Ayurvedic goodness as it contains natural ingredients. This face wash doesn't have harmful chemicals, parabens, sulfates, toxins which we don't want for our skin. So guys, I highly recommend this face wash to you all. I hope this video will be helpful for you all. I will meet you in my next one. Bye bye. Take care. Love you all.